What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today I've got a very special video for you. We're going to be taking a look at a $200 mystery box, also known as the Box of Awesomeness from Evike. This is the March edition, and as you can see, this thing is very large. Okay, before we get into anything too crazy, I just wanted to show you guys actually what the possibilities are inside of this epic box that I've got. So inside of this thing, you can actually see that there are quite a few different things you can get, some ranging to 4 to 5 times the price of what you actually paid, and some that are just about over double what you actually paid. But what you'll notice is you can't actually lose money on this box, which is my favorite part. One thing to mention too is that they do actually limit the amount of boxes that are available. For example, there are only 217 of these boxes available worldwide, and I was actually lucky enough to get one. I know people who were also trying to get one that I know, and they just sold out before they could actually buy one. So I was pretty lucky to get one, and I think it's time to finally take a look in and see what's inside. Alright guys, so as you can tell, we have our absolutely massive box here. I would be happy with pretty much anything that they do have inside of this box, but I am actually hoping mainly for something CQB and maybe something long range too, mainly because I just lost my AK-47 and my LMG no longer works. So without further ado, let's bust this thing open with a bagel cutter. A pretty mysterious looking package so far. There's not any writing. Got some paper. Whoa, now hold on a second. Got something here. Doge patch and a coin. Got some more literature. And what we got here? Got something here. Not entirely sure what that is. Oh, that is heavy. That is a heavy box. Wow. Oh, this one's heavy. Right. Alright, we're going to start with this first piece right here. That is nice. Magazine right there. It is actually very heavy. Much heavier than it looks. They have an extra too, which is kind of nice. Got an upper rail. It's got a little charging handle right here. Sounds very realistic. Nice gun. Got here. So this is the package that we've got here. Got some more literature. Wow. Okay. Again. So you got a full metal high cap here, probably holds about 400, a little over 400 rounds. Got some cheap plastic BBs here. Got a pretty cheap sling. Looks like we have a mag winder here with an Allen key. Put some wiring on here. There we go. And there this wire's cut. Ooh. Wow. This thing is huge. Let me pull this slide back. All right, overall, we got a pretty good pickup here. I think this is about $300 or something worth of stuff. So I will definitely be making a review on each of these guns right here. So make sure you guys subscribe to check that out. I will hopefully be purchasing more of these boxes in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.